All right, guys, it's day 7. Today's cheat day, and for the post-workout shake, we got some amazing plans called a cookies and cream protein shake. I hope you guys enjoy this one. We're gonna indulge a little bit today. We worked really hard this week. We stayed really active. I hope you guys do the same. And as long as you count all the calories in your macro, then you don't really even have to worry about it. So a little bit of sugar is not gonna kill you. So enjoy this one. We're almost done with the series. I hope you guys enjoy the whole thing. Make sure to like and subscribe below. And yeah, let's get going. First thing we're gonna add is gonna be our cookie. So I bought this caramel dulce de leche pastry at our local bakery today. We're gonna use half of that. Then we got some milk, a portion of your favorite protein powder. And remember, if you represent a company that provides any type of supplements and you'd like to be featured in one of my videos, you can find the contact information below. Feel free to contact me. We can definitely work something out. And a little bit of zero-fat yogurt. We got enough calories in there already. We'll cream it up and give us a little bit of extra protein as well. And now we blend. And now we pour. Cookies and cream. Cheers. Last post-workout shake of the series. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did.